Yo, I wanted to talk about my story with Instagram and social media in general. So I I started off doing videos on Instagram specifically about 9 years ago, like 2017 or 2018, and I started just like making videos of me talking about God and stuff, and they never really went anywhere as far as numbers, but it impacted some people. Um, but fast forward, like I started trying different things, just throwing stuff at the wall, see what stuck. So just random stuff. Um, and I ended up doing a bench press video, and that went really viral. I did like an interview that went viral. Um, and The more of myself I showed on myself, like the more I used my gifts, the more I blew up. Like, the last couple months, I've gained about 100,000 followers. About maybe the last 3 months, I've gained like over 100,000 followers. Um, in 3 months, I've reached like 140 million people or something like that. And it was all just because I was just using the gifts God's given me, um, and just being myself. So, I do appreciate the support. A lot of people will probably watch this from Instagram because I'm going to link it in my story. But, um, and, this has been such a crazy journey because nobody believed in me, like, when I was coming up, or at least nobody, like, showed their belief in me, barely. Like, when I was coming up, I was like, I got no comments. Dude, literally posted on Instagram like 1,000 times with less than, or maybe like 700 times without any, like, or under 10K followers. I was just like, I just kept going. Like, the persistence, bro. And also the timing. God's timing is perfect. Like, I was not ready for the amount of attention a year ago that I've gotten today. I wasn't ready at all. So the timing is perfect. But what I've realized through all this is great. This is amazing. But, like, truly being still is the most important thing. Like, just being at peace with God is a billion times better than anything else. Like, literally being at peace is billion times better with the fame, the money, the success, whatever. Like, whatever. So I just want to encourage you, just be still and know that He's God. And don't, like, and just be yourself. Use the gifts God's given you, because He gave those gifts to you for a reason. You're the best. You could be the best in the world at that one thing, but you're just trying to be somebody else or trying to do something you're not good at. So just do what comes natural to you as far as like your gifts and stuff. And I promise you'll make it further than if you're just try to be somebody you're not. So thank you so much and have a great one. God bless you.